guys, here we go. The previous video we finished this third example right here. This is page 2, and we're gonna work on the fourth example here. And as we've been doing, we're gonna go to y equals, we're gonna put in 10 raised to the power of x, and then we're gonna change that table. A couple things, oh no, this one you can just copy. That's good. So here we are, -3, 0.001, 0.01, 110, 100, 1000. All right, plotting these points they're not so pretty, but we're going to do our best. 0, 1, 1, 10, and we could definitely not plot 2, 100, and 3, 1000, but we get the idea. It's really getting close to the x-axis right here, coming from negative infinity right there, and then it's going up really fast right here. Okay, so 1 to 1, yes, domain from negative infinity to positive infinity. Range, it's between 0 and positive infinity, excluding 0 right there. Horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Y-intercept at 0, 1. Increasing, yes, so it's increasing from left to right. Where? Everywhere. So from negative infinity to positive infinity. Now I rewrote this and it's great. So here we have the similarities. So you're going to need to pause this video and copy that on your paper because you know how to read, you know how to write, and we go from there. So now page 2. Here we talk about the number e as a natural base. I'm not going to read it to you. You can read on your own. And it has to do with natural log. So, but this is where it comes from. And this exclamation point right there, that means factorial. That's how you read it. And what it really means, it's not, it doesn't have anything to do with this, but just common knowledge here. So factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But the calculator, times 2. But the calculator will do that for you, so you don't really have to do it by hand. But it's just good to know. That's cool knowledge right there. Okay, off we go. So parentheses, 1 plus, and then the fraction on there, 1 over x raised to the power of x. So now the calculator over here can't divide by 0, of course. And then I have 1, 2. And then we can go to 10 without sitting here forever. But then I'm going to show you how to change your table to go to 100. So you're going to go second table set. That's that key right there. And you're going to start at 100. And you can, this triangle means change table by 1, but we can just go to 100 there and go back to the table. So 100 is at 2.7048. And then we're going to do the same thing at 1000. This is not the only way to do it. It's just easy to remember. So I'm teaching you what's easy, but if you know a different way, go for it. So after this, we can see that it goes from 2, 2.5, 2.7, and it averages out, it levels out right there about that number. And if you were to look it up, see that little E right there written in blue? If you press second E, that will give you that very same number that we came up from that formula right there. Okay, so E is about 2.718. That's what that means, is about 2.718. So we're going to make that table. back to y equals. Remember that we need to go back to change the table set to start at, I don't know, you can change to start at 0. And so when, I didn't mean to graph. So we're going to go e, and then raised to the power of x. So we're going to go fill out that table. And you can copy from the video, but I would strongly recommend practice using the calculator. That's how you get fluent. That's how you get better. That's how you become independent. Woo! Okay, 2, -1, 0, 1, 1, almost 3, and then 2, about 7, almost at 7.5. Okay, and 1 to 1, yes. Domain from -infinity to +infinity. Range from 0 to infinity, because it will approach 0 but will not include 0. Asymptote and horizontal asymptote right at y equals 0. X-intercept, nope. It never crosses the x, but it does cross the y right there at 0, 1. Yep, increasing where? It's increasing from -infinity to, whoa, +infinity right there. Now, I will start a new video talking about the next page. So I want to start a new video for page 4 and 5.